5th of September 2021.
Asuntoskeittiö Lintupuiston pihapihle.
The last day of September this year, we have Rientolankatu 10 KCB. Because they said A doesn't have an elevator.
Yeah.
Only this one has it. And this is another Otis with Series 1 fixtures that was built in 1993. Turning 30 years old in 2023. Messing numbers. We got the 4032. The capacity is 4 person 3 to expectors. Will also be inspected in 2023. 5 plus. Amazing. This is in Lielahti, one of the suburbs of Tampere, of course, Finland, close to Lientolankatu and Niemeranta, towards which the Tampere light line is being extended to by 2024. This one certainly deserves 2 rides.
Yeah.
And great that it's faster.
Yeah.
For some weird reason, those 2 Otis 2000 fixtures ones from 98 are too slow for 6-4s.
Yeah.
This was made faster.
Diskutiert vaikka vain skutat meitä about so now describe this.
Yes. That's it, and thank you very much for watching. We'll check it later if this was finished in 1993 or 94.
That's